All right, Donald, here's your 427 small block Ford. The description is combination. Got a set of our ass-cast heads on it, Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD distributor. It's got some of our valve covers on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Got your front sump oil pan. All blacked out March kit. We're gonna make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3,400, 532 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 550, peak horsepower 522. Front end's on it, usually 10 or so. Everything's good. What we'll do now is pull a pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things here. See if you're in to find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. In the engine crate will be this packet. It'll have your engine spec sheet. Highly recommend looking at that. Have a great day.